Hopefully we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna record a little bit of it. You're gonna see the nice waterfall. Hey guys, we're here. We're about to go on our hike. 99 bottles of milk. Take one down, pass it around. 99 bottles of milk on the wall. 98.
98 bottles. I was like, wait, 99?
I'm gonna sing this the whole way up.
We got 6 miles. 3 miles up, 3 miles down. We'll show you guys the waterfall. If we make it.
The gate closes at sunset, and today sunset is 4:45. 0.5.
45 miles,
done.
guys.
It's very rocky. Very steep. That's what the terrain looks like. Right here is a little bit easier. This is the train we're talking about. This is hard. Shit. Yeah. Look at my handsome husband carrying the load for the family.
Who's gonna carry the boats?
Him, apparently. I'm tired. Okay. I think we're like 1 mile in. What do you think?
Yeah, we're like 1 mile in.
We're like one mile in, hopefully.
I think we got like 2 more of uphill, and then we got 3 of downhill.
Yeah. So far, I'm a little tired. I mean, we haven't done this one in a little bit.
And our baby got bigger.
Yeah, so I'm sweating a lot. And she's a lot heavier. But I don't know how he does it. I was only carrying the backpack and I'm already drenched. He's carrying a 22-pound baby and the backpack. So I guess I'm beat. I can hear the waterfall. The waterfall sounds so pretty.
Not too bad. 3 out of 10.
I'm sweating so much. So tired.
She's doing good.
It was so hard, but we're on a flat part right now, but we still need to do this part. Look, all the way up there. We can decline straight up. I don't want to do this anymore. I want to go home. Joking. Okay, here we go. Up this hill of agony and pain. It's not even shaded either.
Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. Pretty fun hike.
We have another hill. So that's uphill. I'm gonna eat a peanut butter honey sandwich when we get up there, and some water, maybe another orange, and just sit down for like a little bit.
No seconds. We're gonna climb even further, guys.
The gates all the way down there close in 2 hours, so we're making pretty good time because we're almost at the top.
An hour and a half hike.
Yeah, so we're gonna rest for like 10 minutes up here, sit down, look at the scenery. We're here. See? Going in. Finally. Yes, we're here. Oh, it looks so pretty. Huh?
What happened?
What the heck is in me?
What's in you?
Something's in my... Oh.
How did that get you? Oh.
Let me get down. Oh. Oh, it feels so good up here. This is what it looks like. I'm so happy we made it. I'm tired.
Nah, I'm feeling great.
Oh, I'm so tired.
I'm trying to get a nice picture.
Yeah, he's trying to get a good picture. There's like no one up here, which is good, so we can go and rest. There's like a quieter part over there where we can see a bigger waterfall, so I'm gonna show you guys that. Are you happy? Say yay! You excited? Yes. That's what it looks like. It looks so pretty.